Now we're going to look at how to map and optimize a route. So first thing you want to do is go to Routes and go to Route Mapping. Now from Route Mapping, this is going to show you all your stops that are currently on the route schedule for today's date. You can zoom in if you want. You can also click the slider on the right side to choose additional options. Under Map and Optimize, you can also go to Options at the bottom of the screen. This will give you the ability to set colors for each route that you have. You can also set the starting point. For instance, if you're a type of company where your guys might start from a yard or start from their homes, you can put their starting location to allow the route to be optimized from their house, for instance. So if I want to optimize a route, all I have to do is choose my criteria. I can select a frequency. Maybe I only want to optimize my weekly stops, or I can leave it blank for all. I can also leave the route blank if I want to optimize all the routes for a given period of time as well. I can select a zone. Maybe you have your areas broken out into zones. You can also optimize by a certain postal code. Select the to and from dates that you want to optimize and click Map. So based on this criteria, it's going to show me on my map all the stops for that specific route. I can drill down to see additional information. If I have a question about a stop, I can click on it and it will show me which stop that is. Now if I want to optimize this route, and keep in mind we use Google Maps, or a Google provider. This Google Map takes into account real-time driving directions and traffic backlogs and things like that. That's an option that you can turn on or off. If you want to shut it off, just go to the control settings to disable that feature. But as you can see on the map, currently there's red, so those red areas will, the Google Maps will try to reroute your route around those problem areas. So I'm going to click Optimize. This goes through and optimizes your route accordingly and puts them in the new recommended order. It doesn't overwrite your route schedule yet. It's just building the route in an optimized order. There's no limit to the number of stops that you can optimize either. Once it's done optimizing, I can zoom in if I want. I can also click on directions and this will show me my driving directions. You can print these out. You can highlight them and paste them into some other kind of document if you want. You can also click the Stops tab to see the new recommended order. So it took, for instance, World of Beer, which was originally stop number 9, and its new optimized stop is going to be number 1. If I want to commit these changes, I can hit Save Route Order, and this will overwrite my current route schedule. I can also make modifications myself. For instance, if I want Orlando Power Yoga Bumby to be my first stop, I can put in stop number 1 and it will adjust the schedule accordingly once I press Save. If I want to start over, just click Start Over and this takes me back to the beginning.